Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Once again, it's me, Mama V. I wanted to show you guys this picture real quick. It says Akira Impano Yawe. It's a gift from my uncle. He actually handmade that, so this is kind of special to me. I love it. For those that doesn't understand Kinyarwanda, pretty much means receive your talent or receive your gift. I believe no, receive your talent. Yes. And yeah, today I am making some chicken wings. This is our dinner that I'm doing, and I have chicken wings that I seasoned in Greek yogurt and